How to read the RGB value of a given pixel in Python. If I open an image with openimage.jpg, how can I get the RGB values of a pixel assuming I have the coordinates of the pixel? Then, how can I do the reverse of this? Starting with a blank graphic, write a pixel with a certain RGB value? I would prefer if I didn't have to download any additional libraries.
It's probably best to use the Python image library to do this, which I'm afraid is a separate download. The easiest way to do what you want is via the load method on the image object, which returns a pixel access object which you can manipulate like an array. Alternatively, look at ImageDraw, which gives a much richer API for creating images.
Using Pillow, which works with Python 3.x as well as Python 2.7+, you can do the following. Now you have all pixel values. If it is RGB or another mode can be read by m.mode, then you can get pixel x, y, by. Alternatively, you can use NumPy and reshape the array. A complete, simple-to-use solution is smoke testing the code. You might be uncertain about the order of width, height, channel. For this reason I've created this gradient. The image has a width of 100px and a height of 26px. It has a color gradient going from #far00, yellow, to #FFFFFF, white. The output is Things to note. The shape is width, height, channels, the image 0, hence the first row, has 26 triples of the same color.
PIPN, lightweight PNG decoder/encoder. Although the question hints at JPG, I hope my answer will be useful to some people. Here's how to read and write PNG pixels using PIPN module. PIPN is a single pure Python module less than 4,000 lines long, including tests and comments. PIL is a more comprehensive imaging library, but it's also significantly heavier.
As Dave Webb said, "Here is my working code snippet printing the pixel colors from an image."
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.